I mean, right now I'm really having a hard time with my son, he just started middle school, so he
Well, you
really.
know why you're having a hard time with your son? Because you're not in his life. All you
Exactly.
had to, yeah, well, you're saying exactly, but all you had to do was complete this probation. Who's here on Victoria Sanchez?
Here for a judge.
Court is calling 2020 CR 2715 State versus Victoria Sanchez. Can I have parties announced?
Deputy Clark for the state of Texas, Your
Come forward.
Ted Wood representing Ms. Sanchez.
And are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And also the First Amendment motion with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Victoria Marie Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 2715 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on August 5th, 2020 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
And extended for a total of 5 years?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 28. On or about the 11th day of April 2025 in Liberty County, Texas, the defendant Victoria Sanchez did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged for refusing to participate in treatment in violation of condition number 28.
All right, so what motion are you reading from? Because I don't see a violation of 28 on mine.
This one provided, it's under case number ending in 2715.
Is it a supplemental or something?
No, Judge, it was signed 5/13/2025.
May I show the court?
Yes, because I don't have that one. Okay, yes, I've been given the wrong paperwork. Okay,
Rely on the defense to give you the right paperwork.
okay. So to that allegation, how do you plead? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State, do you waive? Is that the only allegation?
Seeing that this is the only violation.
All right, yeah, I definitely didn't have the correct paperwork. All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 28, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 28?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 28 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, we are going open, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
The state is requesting that you grant the state's motion, revoke probationer and sentence probationer to 2 years TDC.
And defense, what are you recommending?
Judge, right now, this morning, Ms. Sanchez has 180 days credit. I'm asking the court to find her guilty of the lesser included offense of attempt to possess controlled substance 1 to 4, which is a state jail, and sentence her to 180 days in state jail, time served, judgment satisfied.
All right, why would I do that? She hasn't been successful.
Because you're a merciful and just judge.
Yes, but this is not our first motion to revoke.
It's not, Judge, and I think that Ms. Sanchez is having difficulty utilizing the resources available through SafeP. I don't think that there's any sort of remediation that is available to her that's going to help her move forward with her life. And Judge, I'm asking that you sentence her to 180 days, time served, judgment satisfied, so that she can get out, rebuild her life. Judge, she's a victim of sexual violence, and I'm hoping that when she does get out, that she can link up with Center for Healthcare Services and get some trauma therapy so that she can go forward with the rest of her life.
All right, and you have children?
Yes, Your Honor. I have 4.
All right, and see, that's the problem because she was here when I placed her on deferred adjudication. I placed her on 2 years deferred adjudication, gave her all the tools that she could need, had her saying, work with CPS, had contacts for her for outpatient treatment, intensive outpatient treatment. did a referral to felony drug court. Then there was a violation and still continued her, did the weekly Zoom reporting to try to get her on track. And then there was another violation, and then she was sent to safety. So I'm not going to give you a judgment satisfied. I'm finding, and did you complete the CPS?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm actually getting my visitations. I was paying, my child support for about 8 months, the last time you sent me for the 2 years. Within those 2 years, I did 8 months, I think up to 9 months of, job and paying my child support, and I was seeing my kids, so.
Mhm.
I mean, right now, I'm really having a hard time with my son, you know, he just started middle school, so he.
Well, you know why you're having a hard time with your son? Because you're not in his life.
Exactly.
All you had to, yeah, well, you're saying exactly, but all you had to do was complete this probation. And I don't know if you would be a good influence on your son, because I don't know if you're still using drugs or not.
I understand that, Your Honor, but I feel like this has been the longest I've ever been locked up my whole life, and I think I've changed a lot, and I think I've learned the lessons that I need to learn to go out there
No.
and work and be there for my children.
You haven't learned any lessons, because we're here on another motion to revoke. And I always tell people, if you're not going to be clean and sober for yourself, which that's how you should always be, do it for your children. If there's somebody else you love more than yourself, do it for them. And you're not even doing it for your children.
I am, Your Honor.
And so that is why your son is having problems, because you're in and out of his life. Sometimes you are there, sometimes you have motions to revoke, sometimes you're using drugs, sometimes you're not. That's instability for your child.
I
And
understand.
I'm not going to reduce this, and I'm not giving you a judgment satisfied. I'm finding 28 true, going to find you guilty, revoke. I'm going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. I'll request the therapeutic community. She'll receive any credit for successful inpatient treatment.
Very well, Judge.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We can go off the record. When you're released from prison, if you can't find a sober house, if you can't find someone that can help you, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to try to get help for you, okay?
Alrighty, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you. Are they all here?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Excuse, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.